Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I have the beautiful Shimmerz Color Kitz for February and I want to make a layout. So I'm starting here with an 8.5 by 11 piece of Scrapbook.com mixed media cardstock, and I'm taking the 3 sprays that came in the color kits. So I've got the pretty In Pink-Coloringz, I've got the Gladiola Vibez, and the Cardinal Color Splash. I'm using some water and I'm just going to spray all of these colors onto the cardstock, a little bit more water. I'm going to move them around a little bit, and now I'm going to go back in with my paints and fill in any of those white spaces. So what I want to do is create a beautiful sheet of cardstock that I'm going to do some die cutting on. So I want to get all of these spaces colored in so that way when I put my dies on here, they'll all look really pretty. Okay, so it looks like I've really got this covered now. I'm going to bring in my heat tool and just give that a little heat set. Make sure that's all nice and dry. And before I get to die cutting, I decided I wanted to use another paint that came in the February Color Kitz. And this is Silver Bells. It's a shimmer, and this actually came in the bonus bundle. So you can purchase the add-on bundle of the bonus bundle separate. It comes with the Silver Bells shimmers and the gorgeous sequins, which I'll show you in just a little bit. All right, so I'm just going to splatter that on, and now you can kind of see. I wish you could see the shimmer and shine on camera. It's picking it up just a little bit. But not as much as it is in person. All right, I took some dies that I had in my stash. These were from Close to My Heart, and I actually have their heart shaker window. So it's got the foam, it's got the, I forgot it had the acetate, so I actually cut an acetate strip myself. But I cut out as many hearts as I could on that beautiful painted cardstock that I made. Now I'm laying on some foam here on top of the heart. And then I want to fill that heart with the beautiful sequins that came in the bonus bundle. So let me grab those and we'll add those to the center here. Now I did cut out the outer layer for this shaker window. It's sitting there on my table and I already have the acetate glued to that. I did that off camera. So I want to get a good variety of the sequin mix. I think when I dumped these down here, the larger sequins fell first, so I want to take a few of the larger ones out and put some of the smaller ones in this shaker window here that I'm making. And I think that's going to look really cute on my Valentine page that I'm creating. They're kind of going everywhere, so let me pick a few of these up. While I'm doing this, I do want to mention that if you place an order on the Shimmerz Paints website, if you add my name, Melissa Minor, to the notes section of your order, then Shimmerz will send you a free paint. So that's always a good way to really build up your paint supply collection. And I also appreciate when you use my name as your referral code. So thank you. All right, I'm getting these loose sequins that are kind of on the run here tacked back into my shaker pocket window. And a few more here that are trying to come out. So let me poke those back in, and there we have it. Isn't that so cute? I love that. All right, so off camera, I picked one of the pieces of the pattern paper from the color kits, and I arranged the hearts that I cut out. Here's the photo that I want to scrapbook. This is a picture of me and my daughter, Tatum. This was actually taken in the fall, but I don't think it matters when it was taken. I really just want to document how much I love spending time with my daughter. So I'm not sure here what I want to do with the layout. I picked out a few of my favorite pieces of the ephemera. So I've kind of just laid those out on the table, and I'm auditioning those around the page. They're not going to stay here, but I'm just kind of auditioning. I want to do something in the center of those hearts. I'm really not sure yet what I want to do, but I love these pieces of ephemera. I thought I recorded it, but I apologize. I did not get the recording, but off camera, I took the sticker sheet that came included in the kit and I placed little stickers on the hearts. And that's to make it look like those Valentine conversational hearts. So I've got sweet and love bug, Forever and Ever, Love You, Simply the Best, and Bear Hug. I thought those were appropriate. Okay, so I also added the little dice to the bottom and the XOXO with some foam tape. Now I want to go back over my layout and add some splatters, and I'm using the same colors that I used to make the hearts. So I've got the pretty In Pink-Coloringz, the Gladiola Vibez, and the Cardinal color splash. So I'm just going to take each of those and tap, tap, tap all around just to give this page some more interest. I did cover up my photo and my shaker window. I don't want paint to go on any of those. And off camera, I did add my journaling as well. And it says, lucky to call her mine, my daughter, my everything. And I thought the word lucky was super cute to go along with the little dice. And so I really like the way that turned out on here. All right, so let me lift off these, and that protected my picture and my shaker window. I'm gonna give this a little dry, and then I want to add this acrylic title. So let me make sure it's good and dry over here. Now this title says Sweetheart, and I picked this up on Etsy. I have a friend that has an Etsy shop. It's called Inner Creativity Shop. And so she's on Instagram at Inner Creativity Crafts, and I will leave her information linked down below, but she's got some really cute acrylic titles, and I thought this one worked perfectly for this cute little page of me and my daughter. All right, let me give that a good press. I used some Nuvo Deluxe glue. I find that works best for gluing down your acrylics. And now I want to bring in one of the dots. So I love the epoxy flare dots that are included in the color kits every month. So I'm taking a little bit of thread. I've got some of the like magenta colored thread. I put a glue dot on the back of the epoxy dot, and I'm going to put the little lips up here. And I think that looks really cute just to kind of finish that off. So that is my completed layout. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. I will have still shots over on my Facebook and my Instagram at Cards.by.MelissaMinor, and I will have links to those platforms down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!